gagawin nating mas matibay, mas malakas ang mga requirements at qualifications para sa mga opisyales ng department. I will be announcing changes starting with the regions and some districts today. The first announcement I will be making is the relief of 4 regional directors. But suffice it to say, we are investigating a lot of people in the department, and officially we are relieving 4 regional directors. Regional Director Ronel Tan of Region 1, Regional Director Jovel Mendoza of Region 4A, Regional Director Virgilio Eduarte of Region 5, and Regional Director Danilo Villa of Region 7. We are also relieving Assistant Regional Directors ARD Neil Farala of Region 4B, and also Regional Director Ani de la Vega of Region 5. And we are also relieving District Engineer Umali of the 3rd District of Metro Manila and District Engineer Manny Burusan of South Manila DEO. So they are relieved effective when I sign the relief orders, which will come in the next day or so. For all intents, relieving DEs, La Union 1st District Engineering Office Sherry Lan Gonzalez, Iloilo City DEO Roy Pacanan, and Leyte 4th District Engineer Peter Scheller Soko, because they have not met CSE qualification standards. So we are going to be very, very strict, and I will be releasing in the next few days or weeks, the new merit requirements for all officials of DPWH, specifically district engineers, assistant district engineers, the regional directors, and assistant regional directors. Gagawin nating mas matibay, mas malakas ang mga requirements at qualifications para sa mga opisyales ng department. And this will come in the next few weeks. At mag-a-announce din ako ng mga changes across the various regions. Mayroon tayong pagbabago sa mga iba't ibang regions. Mayroong mga iba na magsistay muna, may mga iba na papalitan, no? And I will give you this list. We will publish this list after this press conference. So next slide, please. You don't have to take a picture. We will just release it to you. And these are the new assignments for regional directors,